Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Inverness, our overnight sanctuary was a quaint haven, a small house enveloped by an enchanting orchard. Surrounded by fruit trees, the house exuded a tranquil charm. Sheep graze lazily in the meadows, adding a touch of pastoral charm to the picturesque scenery. The air is crisp, and the fragrance of heather and wildflowers dances on the breeze, creating a sensory symphony that accompanies your drive. Inverness Castle, perched on a hill, offers a commanding view of the city and the river. As you approach Inverness, the River Ness welcomes you with its gentle flow. And the city itself is a blend of historic architecture and modern vibrancy. Inverness is a vibrant town with a mix of historic charm and modern amenities. Visitors can explore a variety of shops, restaurants and pubs. The town also serves as a cultural centre, hosting events, festivals and live music performances.